Now there may be some questions where we need to find mirror image of a parabola about certain line. Say for example, we need to find mirror image of the parabola y square equals 4x in a tangent to this parabola at 1, 2. So we'll draw this parabola. Now we'll take a point which is at 1, 2 and we'll draw a tangent at 1, 2. Now we need to find equation of parabola which is mirror image of this parabola about this tangent. So we need to find equation of parabola which is mirror image about this tangent. Now we know that equation of tangent when the point lies on the curve is given by t equals 0. So we can write this equation as 2y equal to 4 x plus 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So equation of this tangent will be x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now we need to find equation of this parabola. So any point on this given parabola, we can write it as at square 2at, and reflection of this point about this line will lie on this parabola and say it is alpha comma beta. These alpha and beta, they are mirror image about this line x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So we can write this as alpha minus at square upon 1 equals beta minus 2at upon minus 1, and this is equal to minus 2. We'll put the value of x and y. So it will be at square minus 2at plus 1 upon a square plus b square, which is simply 2. So we'll get this alpha as, now at square, here it will cancel and we'll get it as 2at minus 1, and if we write beta, we write beta minus 2at, and here it will be at square minus 2at plus 1, so it'll also cancel. So we'll get alpha plus 1 equals 2at and beta minus 1 equals at square. Now we'll eliminate t from these two equations. We know that this is y square equals 4ax. So we can write this as alpha plus 1 whole square equals 4a, and x here is beta minus 1. Now for this parabola, value of a is 1. So this locus will be x plus 1 square equals to 4y minus 1. So mirror image of y square equals 4x in the tangent to parabola at 1, 2 is x plus 1 square equals 4y minus 1. Now we'll take another reflection problem. Then it says if the reflection of the parabola y square equals 4x minus 1 in the line x plus y equals 2 is a curve ax plus by equals x square, then we need to find the value of a plus b. So we are given this parabola which is y square equals 4x minus 1. So we'll draw this parabola. So it is y square equals to 4x but shifted 1 unit to the right. And then we are given equation of this line which is x plus y equals 2. Now it says reflection of this parabola about this line is this curve which is ax plus by equals x square. So reflection of this parabola about this line is this parabola which is ax plus by equals x square, and we need to find the value of a and b. Now in this question we need not even find image of a point. So what we know is from this given equation and this given line we can find their point of intersections. So we can write y square equals 4. Now we can write x minus 1 as 1 minus y. So it will be 4 1 minus y. So it will be y square plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0. So it will be plus 4 minus 4. So y plus 2 whole square equals 8. So it will be y equals minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2. So one of the point of intersection is y equals minus 2 minus 2 root 2, and another one will be y equals minus 2 plus 2 root 2. Now we'll put the value of y in this equation and then we'll write the value of x. So here value of x will be 2 minus y. So it will be 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 root 2, and here it will be 4 minus 2 root 2. So we have these 2 points of intersections. So this point is 4 minus 2 root 2 comma 2 root 2 minus 2, and this point of intersection is 4 plus 2 root 2, and this is minus 2 minus 2 root 2. Now this reflected parabola will also pass through these point of intersections. So we'll put the value of x and y. So we'll put the value of x and y. We'll write a, and this is 4 minus 2 root 2 plus b minus 2 plus 2 root 2, and this is equal to x square, which is 4 minus 2 root 2 square. So we can write this as 4a minus 2b and then plus minus a plus b 2 root 2, and it will be equal to, now this is 16 plus 8, so it will be 24 and then minus 16 root 2. We'll compare rational parts and irrational parts. So we'll compare rational parts, then we can write 2a minus b, and it is 12, and we'll compare this irrational part. We'll get a minus b, and it will be equal to 8. So we'll subtract, we'll get the value of a as 4, and if a is 4, value of b is minus 4. So the value of a plus b is simply 0.